Yes, actually, so like I told you, have worked on Oracle EBS as well. So, and my client actually they were using OIC with some integrations, and basically I was the one who was like before OIC integrations, there were some old kind of integrations done like coding, normal PLC coding and all, and the records which we were getting into EBS, I was like doing that manual work of 4 to 5 hours daily and making the changes into staging table by writing SQL queries, and I was so frustrated with that work. And then I get to know that one day suddenly that issue is resolved because we have used OIC integrations, and I have no idea like what was that. I just researched about this OIC, and then that's why I chose the case. So like that webinar was like really helpful and giving us the insights on the proper course and what they'll be providing us. At first I thought that it is really expensive, but then I thought, why not? Why not to spend this much to better your career and your technology? So and it was worth spending the money. It was really worth. Yeah, the support I get from K21 was really good because the trainer, he like understands the basic concepts and all, and though like I've never worked on the OIC before, so I was really able to understand the things and crack it. Like on very regular basis I was learning the going through the trainings and all, and I even tried seeing the old videos, video recordings and all, and the quiz and the lab tests and all, everything was really helpful, and I don't have to like go to Oracle documentation as well. They have provided this much information on their site, so it was really good experience for me. And the support from WhatsApp groups is really good, and the daily quizzes which they post, it's really helpful. So I preferred like I firstly go through the live session, like I attend the live session, and then I attended some videos on that, on basis of that, so that if we have like any confusion we can ask right away to the trainer, and it won't be more confusing at all. So I preferred first attending the live sessions and then go through the learning materials. Yeah, because I think we should learn on daily basis. Otherwise, other than that, we cannot keep on doing the same things on regular basis. And in IT, and now we are coming along with machine learning and AI. But I think like learning is a major part if we want to grow technically and all. So learning is really important nowadays. Yes, definitely. Even more than that. I only plan to crack the certification and get into some Oracle Cloud project as of now so that I can learn few things. But I didn't expect it that I'll crack interviews and I'll switch the company.